We have some more breaking news that's coming in. Rescue operations continue in Uttarakhand's Chamoli. 47 out of the 55 trapped workers have been rescued. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Dhami is conducting aerial survey. Army has deployed choppers for evacuation of the trapped BRO workers in Uttarakhand's Chamoli. Rescue operations continue to save 8 trapped workers who are there trapped in the avalanche. The Indian Army has carried out overnight rescue operations in which it has rescued 47 BRO workers after an avalanche hit a BRO camp in Uttarakhand's Chamoli. There were 55 workers that were initially trapped in the avalanche, and now 47 of them have been rescued. 8 workers are still trapped in the avalanche, and rescue operations are continuing to save the 8 trapped workers. The army has been deployed. Army has deployed choppers for evacuation of the workers who are trapped inside the avalanche. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Dhami is also conducting aerial survey currently. Prime Minister Modi has also spoken with Uttarakhand Chief Minister Dhami and has taken stock of the situation.
भारतीय सेना द्वारा रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन सारी रात जारी रहे और अभी भारतीय सेना की एक पार्टी ने 14 और जो दबे हुए थे एवलांच में उनको रेस्क्यू किया है। अभी इनको मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए लेके जाया जा रहा है और इनमें से 1 अभी क्रिटिकल है।
सभी को रेस्क्यू किया जा रहा है और हमारे सेना के लोग, एनडीआरएफ के लोग, आईटीबीपी के और जिला प्रशासन, आपदा प्रबंधन, सारे लोग अभी बचाव कार्य में लगे हुए हैं। हमारा प्रयास यही है कि जो लोग अभी रह गए हैं उनको भी जल्दी से जल्दी बाहर निकाला जाए और जो लोग अभी 14 लोग और मिले हैं उन सभी को वहां से रेस्क्यू करके यहाँ जोशीमठ लाया जा रहा है और सभी अभी सुरक्षित हैं।
Right now we are standing in front of the 2009 Field Hospital, which is the base hospital of IBX Brigade, and this is the brigade which is leading the operations in Mana area. Let us tell you that on Friday morning at Mana Badrinath Highway, calamity struck over 55 laborers who were working in a road construction project along with BRO, and they were buried under the snow when the large volume of snow coming through avalanche inundated the area. Right now 47 have been rescued and 25 of the rescued laborers have been brought over here. The treatment is underway and if needed they will be transferred, they will be airlifted to AIIMS Rishikesh. Recently CM Pushkar Singh Dhami also conducted an aerial survey. He also took stock of the situation and met army personnel and the rescue operation forces who are engaged in one of the mammoth tasks. And let us tell you that Indian Army is braving the harsh terrain and is fighting the battle inside the country against the nature and trying to save the people of the nation. And along with this, Prime Minister Modi is also keeping an eye on this operation. He has also spoken to Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, and everyone is hoping that the 8 more men who are left over there will be rescued and they will come home safely. This is Ankit Sharma for India Today.
So rescue operations continue in Uttarakhand's Chamoli, where 47 of the 55 trapped workers have currently been rescued. 8 workers still continue to be trapped under the snow, under the avalanche. Rescue operations continue to save those 8 lives. The army has deployed choppers for evacuation, while the Chief Minister, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Dhami, is conducting aerial survey of the area. This is after an avalanche buried a Border Roads Organisation camp in the high-altitude village of Mana in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district, where 55 workers got trapped. 47 of them have been rescued so far. Until Friday, 33 labourers were rescued before the rescue efforts came to a temporary halt in view of the bad weather and impending danger. And now 14 more have been rescued this morning. So now currently 44 workers have been rescued, 47 workers have been rescued, and 8 still continue to be trapped under the avalanche in Chamoli district. Chief Minister Pushkar Dhami is also closely monitoring the situation and receiving regular updates on the situation. He's also conducting aerial surveys. Helicopter services have been deployed to aid the evacuation efforts. And earlier, Prime Minister Modi had also spoken to Chief Minister Dhami to take stock of the situation, to review the rescue operations in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district, in which 55 workers, BRO workers, were trapped, and now 47 of them have been rescued. 8 still remain under the debris, under the snow in the avalanche that hit Chamoli last night. Now, Indian Army is carrying out rescue operations. They conducted rescue operations overnight to save people still trapped under the snow. Let's listen in to what Chief Minister Dhami has said.
सभी को रेस्क्यू किया जा रहा है और हमारे सेना के लोग, एनडीआरएफ के लोग, आईटीबीपी के और जिला प्रशासन, आपदा प्रबंधन, सारे लोग अभी बचाव कार्य में लगे हुए हैं। हमारा प्रयास यही है कि जो लोग अभी रह गए हैं उनको भी जल्दी से जल्दी बाहर निकाला जाए और जो लोग अभी 14 लोग और मिले हैं उन सभी को वहां से रेस्क्यू करके यहाँ जोशीमठ लाया जा रहा है और सभी अभी सुरक्षित